So let me show you what it looks like to work with us. Once you give us a call, we'll get you into the right package that's just right for you. Then we'll start the process. Our team of experts has branded dozens and dozens of churches over the years, and we have figured out what is the best way to do this. And what we've done is we've put together kits to basically get you branded in the right areas and communicate it in a way where people understand you quickly. Our goal is to help you get further faster. We are not a big agency that's going to charge you upwards of $30,000 to customize a brand for you. What we have done instead is we leverage kits that will help you to get your brand in place so that you can move further and get the right communication pieces that you need, both visually and also in your language. That way we can create consistency over a long period of time. And we do this for you. We get this done, we design everything, and then we hand it over to your team so that you can then carry it forward. And it's a beautiful process that we get to do time and time again. Our process starts with our strategy. Our strategy is a very simple four-step strategy that will help you to understand who you are, also help us to get on board with who you are, what your vision is. We start by creating a playbook. Then we design your logo, your website, and your graphics. Now, our goal is to help you cut through the noise and reach people where they are. So with your strategy, we're going to help you to reach them in four big areas to help them have hope, community, growth, and significance in their lives. So these are the people in your community. We create a strategy and we put it together into a brand book. The brand book allows us to customize your strategy and create some language around it that can be used consistently over time across all different types of media. So we create this for you. It's done in a document in Canva so that it's editable. So over time, if it changes, you're able to make updates and changes to it. Once we get your strategy in place, your next steps for your user, then we want to help you get your marketing strategy in place so that you can create the right marketing tools for your community. So there's 5 steps in our marketing journey. We want to help strangers to become guests, and then we're going to create all the mechanisms to make that happen. So things like your website, your social media platforms, we're going to design all those things for you. Things like your lobby, your parking lot, we're going to provide all those things for you. That's what our kits do. Our kits help you get new people to join the church and then to help people to become champions. So if you've seen our kits, you know that we've included over 38 items. I believe I counted this up. I think it's over 38 items that we're going to provide for you as part of our kits to help you communicate this in just the right way. Again, it all starts with strategy. We want to make sure that we are doing things that will move the needle for your church and not just look great, although they will look great. So we want to create a website. One of the big things is having a website that works for your church, that communicates well in just the right way. It's just enough, has great images, photography, videos, everything integrated into it. So we're going to design a great website. It's the front door to your church. We want to make sure it's done well. We use our signature website templates to put this together for you. It's custom to your look and feel and your messaging, and it's easy to use. So if you wanted to make adjustments to these over time, it's just a very simple tool that we will set you up with so that you can do things like change out pictures, change the locations of different things. It's a drag and drop builder, so we can really customize this and turn this over to you so that you can then take it to that next level. So as you can see, it's just a drag and drop builder where we can just move things around, get it lined up where we want it to go, and even change messaging if we need to, so that it is your messaging that is relevant to you and your church. There we go. So the website builder is included. We design everything for you and then help you to customize it to make it look the way that it needs to look. We have just the right pages for you, and it's just going to be set up well for search engine optimization so that people are searching for churches near you. They're going to find your website, and you'll be well on your way to seeing new guests show up on a weekly basis. Our kits are designed in Canva, so we love to use Canva because it lets us customize everything for you. and then allows you to go back in after us to make any tweaks or adjustments that you might need. So in our brand creation process, we will help you design a logo. That's part of the things that, one of the first things we'll help you to do is to get your logo. Our team will design the logo and make sure that you have some good options to choose from. We provide the files and the mock-ups, and then once we land on the right look for your church, we'll finalize the design, the colors, the fonts. We'll actually go through a process where you'll be able to see different color values and choose the right one for you. And then it'll be a custom brand that's designed and ready to go. And then we can put that into our branding kits. Our branding kits include a lot of different things in just the right areas. So if you see our website, we have our kits kind of on display. These are all the items that are in our kits. And then if you go into our Canva files, you'll see that we've set that up in much the same way. These are all the kits. If you click into the kits, then you can see the different items that are in there. These are all files that are done for you and branded with your new logo, your brand colors, your fonts, and it's all put together for you so that your team is able to go to run and make this a consistent experience across all different types of media. We also design your signage. So that's a big part of this is signage for your property. So again, in that marketing journey, we just want to make sure we cover all the bases to get things done right. So one of the things we want to do is to help first-time guests come back. So signage is a big part of that, and we're going to get those right for you. So we have these already in our branding kit to produce these like large wall graphics with your logo and maybe your tagline, some other things in there. We're just going to get those done for you. We're also going to get these A-frame signs for your parking lot with the right messaging and arrows and different things to get people where they need to go. Even flags that are for your property that you can set up on a weekly basis to draw attention to your services on the weekend. So we've thought through a lot of this, and because of that, we have created the kits that are just right to help you. Again, we're not a large agency that's going to charge you a lot. We're quick. We can move very quickly. Because of our kits, we're able to keep your costs down significantly. You'll get all the things we talked about that's included in our packages. Again, almost 40 items that we have already identified as like these are must-have items. If you're going to really grow your church, you need to have a way to promote your baptisms, your groups, your serve team, have some merch that you can put out there. Social media presence. We'll provide templates that you can use for the next year, even longer if you wanted to just play with the Canva templates and make adjustments to it. So you'll be well set up to go further faster with your new brand. Our hope is to move the needle for your church. And it all starts by just having a call with me. We'll talk on the phone. I'll answer any questions you might have. I'll show you any examples you might need. From there, we'll schedule your strategy session on a Zoom call. This lasts about 90 minutes with your team. That way I get to learn about your church, and then we can start to design. And we can get this all done as quickly as 30 days. So we can move really fast, and we can get your church branded in all the key areas. I'd love to have a conversation with you if you're interested. Schedule a call, and let's get on the phone. And hopefully we can help you to establish a great new brand that cuts through the noise and reaches people in your city.